The Amazon rainforest is one of the most fascinating places on earth, home to a large variety of plants, animals, and trees. This rainforest has so many interesting features. In this video, you will know some incredible facts about the Amazon rainforest. It is the world's largest tropical rainforest, providing Earth with 20% of oxygen supply, while it covers only 6% of Earth's surface and acts like a giant air purifier. And it often referred to as lung of the earth. It is located in South America and spread over 5.5 million square kilometers. It spans across 9 countries. Amazon River is the world's second longest river and covers about 2000 miles. It is also the world's largest river. Discharges 20% of the world river water flow every second into the Atlantic Ocean. It has the world's richest ecosystem. "25% of drugs derived from Amazon rainforest plant. 70% of the Amazon plant work against cancer cells. Due to thick canopies, only 1% of sunlight can reach forest floor, and when it rains, it can take 10 minutes to reach the soil. Dust containing phosphorus blow in from the Sahara via wind over the Atlantic Ocean and help the rainforest flourish. Amazon rainforest is richest in forest vegetation but unsuitable for substantial agriculture due to very little mineral content. Amazon rainforest is inhabited by around 400 tribes, and over 50 of these tribes have never had contact with the outside world. Amazon rainforest has lost 20% of its size because of deforestation. 1.5 acres are lost every second to create trans-Amazonian highways for cattle grazing and crop production. Around 137 species of plants, animals, and insects become extinct every single day in the Amazon rainforest because of deforestation. Experts predict that the rainforest could be completely depleted if no action is taken to solve the problem.